Okay, and here we are again today at the Hobby Habit, unboxing the new Revolution Roguewave boat made to go in swimming pools. Price is $70, at least I forget that. So we're going to cut the tape. We pull it open. Looks pretty cool. This one's white and orange. They also make one that's orange and white. Let's see. Comes with the boat. It is propeller driven. There's a little tiny propeller. Turn. Let's see. Let's go ahead and just pop this open here. Looks like two little knobs to open. Little motor up front, water cooled. The battery, a little 2-cell lithium ion battery. Sits right there. Receiver. Looks pretty cool. The boat stand, so you have a place to stand it. Full-size controller, looks pretty good. Steering, throttle, and USB battery charger. Comes with batteries for the controller, so it is completely ready to run. And a second prop and a wrench to work on things. Looks pretty cool. Have to find a swimming pool to try it out in, if I can find one. But you can get it at the Hobby Habit.